Ooh, there it is.
Mm-hmm.
It won't open on this side. So we're going to adjust. In the words of Victor from Underworld, right there. That's what we're going to do. Okay. What I'm doing now is just priming and feeling for the quality. We don't just go in there like freaking heroes. Lift your chin up some more. Good. And let it all the way down. Breath in. And all the way out. Let that fall into the table even more like that. Yeah, see that one? There we go.
Right?
Relax. Right through there. That was good.
That was really good.
Come on up. So this one is to open it on the left, so chin down a little and body just sinking into the chair. So this one we pull like this, but really when I adjust it, so let your head relax and fall into my left hand. Fall. Okay. And then 7, 6, 5. And now we got to get the rest. Lay it this way, so head to the left. And I scoop up like this. Scoop. Head goes away a little. Don't mind me, I'm trying to make this perfect. Okay. Now let the shoulders relax. Hands are nice and soft. I can't have you beat me to that lateral flexion right there. Scoop it off. Let it go. Let it go. That way. More. See a little? And that's the rest. And you feel the difference in those two?
I did.
Yeah. It's like diagonal open, lift, churn off the facet. Yeah.